Quite the entrance. What's up everybody? So today we're gonna be doing another adventure to some waterfalls again. It's gonna be our second falls here in El Nido. And just like the last one we went to, Bulalakaw Falls, this is near Nakpan. So it's just a little bit before Nakpan. And yeah, we've entered so far. We had to cross some pretty funky looking bridge back there. 1 second, we got the goat. Got to pay the goat to pass. Hello, Mr. Goat. Nope. Anyway, so we didn't have to pay to come in this one. It's called Nagkalit-kalit Falls. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that properly. And I think you do usually have to pay like 300 per person, and you're usually required to have a guide, but there was nobody there. There was just some locals and they just told us to enter. They didn't charge anything. So yeah, we're gonna check this place out. I think this is a more popular fall than the one that we went to last time. So yeah, I think it might be a little bit better. And I read that the hike is supposed to be beautiful. I mean, you can already see it is very nice here. Basically walking through the farms, I think. So you can see over here, we've got some cows.
Carabao over there?
Yeah, carabao, which is a water buffalo. Hopefully we'll be able to see one up close. A nice little river here as well. It's like a grey bluey colour.
Maybe the river of the waterfall.
Yeah, probably right. Hello, Mr. Cow. So you can see here they're planting cassava. We only found this out in the Philippines, that this is a cassava plant. We have them at the resort that we're staying at. So yeah, if some of you don't know where cassava comes from, it's from these kind of plants here. Oh, is that one that closes?
I think so.
Check it out. So you have this in Brazil, you touch it and the plant closes. I guess it's that way, right?
I think
so. Nice and cool.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Check this, guys, there's literally 3 different paths here and we have no idea where we're going.
I bet they all go to the same place.
They better do.
Yeah, I hope so.
You wanna go this way?
You go that way.
Yeah, then we'll definitely get lost. Yeah, so far I can kind of see why it's probably better to have a guide, because even on the way here there's so many different pathways and stuff. We're just following usually the one that looks like the main one, like the wider trail, and hoping that gets to the falls, but it is confusing. Everything looks awesome here though. I mean, you're just covered in all these different kind of plants and trees. Huge ones as well. Look how cool all this looks. Got some orange ground here. So this is kind of funny. We did go down the wrong path. The main path ended up leading to some family's house, just like right in the middle of the jungle, and it didn't continue on. And we're just with the guy now. He's just showing us the way. He doesn't really speak English, so yeah, he's just taking us there. I think we're about 10 minutes off the wrong trail from what he said. I think we're close.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
You
Now
can
I
see?
really see it.
Oh yeah, back there. Look at this for a pretty raw entrance though. You got a little part of the falls there. And the main one's back there. Yeah, I think so. It was actually a bit more of an adventure than I thought.
Yeah, because we read the reviews on Google Maps, and there were people saying, oh, you could do it without a guide, it's easy to get there, but it's definitely not easy to get without a guide. That's why we got lost.
Yeah. Alright, so here's the first fall. I think there's 2 of them overall. Whew. Can't wait to get in there. So it hasn't rained a lot lately, so I guess the fall might be way more impressive when it's been raining a lot, but yeah, you still got quite a nice little one.
Cold?
Nice and deep though. Awesome, right?
Yeah, refreshing.
Pretty cool how you can sit right next to it, right?
Yeah. I'm trying to stand up, but I can't.
No.
Too slippery. So Chris was able to climb part of the waterfall.
Slippery though. Go for it.
I felt something, mate.
It is really nice and cool though. I think the other one that we went to the other day was cool as well. Very different, the fall. When we went to that one, you probably saw it was like a murky brown color, and there was more of the actual fall at that one, but I think this one is probably nicer. It's kind of more enclosed, I guess. More of a nicer scenery. Just need more rain, I guess. Yeah, it's been really unusual, right? Like, it hasn't rained at all in July, barely.
Yeah, or just for a few hours in one day, and then sun for 2 days, and then few rains, but it's not. We were expecting it to be like
monsoon
the whole day or the whole week.
Yeah.
It hasn't been like that.
In May and June, it rained way more.
Yeah.
Yeah, strange. We're not complaining anyway. Means we can do more stuff. So we're just gonna head up to the second fall now. I think from what I read, you can't swim there, but yeah, we'll see what it looks like at least. I have no idea. The little trail up there seems a bit sketchy though. So they got this rope here. Pretty steep, right?
Yeah, a lot sketchy.
Yeah. So me and Kyle are going barefoot. Probably have a bit more grip. It's not too bad actually with the ledges, right? Carol did it even with a phone in her hand. Let's see. I'll probably grab onto this actually. It's actually good, you got all these vines and the roots. You can just use these to hold on. Look at the size of this thing though. It's crazy. But yeah, this is the falls from the top. So we were down there. Alright, I guess it's this way. Look how cool these roots look. I thought it was going to be close.
Yeah, me too.
Seems pretty far away.
Oh, I can see it.
Oh yeah, back there. Yeah, this might be one of the most beautiful parts, right?
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. Look at this. Which way?
I don't know, maybe.
I think this side, yeah. Maybe climb up this. Kyle was just saying everybody in the comments always calls us Adam and Eve, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we are. We're even barefoot. Beautiful.
Yeah, with the sun, with the sunlight.
Yeah, we got the sun on this side. So yeah, that's what I read. You can't really swim here. I mean, you could swim in these little pools here if you wanted to, but yeah, it was worth the little hike. Looks amazing here. I think that one's even bigger than the other one, right?
Yeah.
So I guess the same again. If it's raining pretty heavy, this just must look epic all the way down here. I guess it covers all this. So we're just gonna head a little bit closer, get beneath it. Yeah, check that out. All right, so we're heading out now. I think we know the way back at least, so we should be okay. And another cool waterfall here in El Nido. I think there's 3 main ones, so we've done 2 of them. And the biggest and best one called Yao Falls, I think, Yao. It's still not open. We've tried to go there twice already. We had to ride 40 minutes down south, and each time it was closed. They said next month, so if we're still here, we'll probably try and go there again. But yeah, just another video that shows all the different stuff that El Nido has. As you can see, it's just like endless beaches, cool waterfalls, hikes like this. So yeah, just gets more and more amazing each day that goes by. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, just drop us a like to support us. Subscribe if you like to see other videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you around.